Hello! Hi everyone! Well, no one's here yet actually. Just waiting for people to tune in. Got my car in the background. Hello anyone? Who's there? Anybody? Come look at the house. Nobody's tuning in. It's sunny outside. Hello. Oh, I've got two people. Hello. Hi. All right, we'll get started then. Hi guys, Danae Crawford here. I'm a real estate agent with the Rockwell Realty Group, brokered by EXP down here in Southern Oregon. We're having a live virtual open house today. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're still here for you during these changing times, and we're going to make it as easy for you as possible to still buy and sell your homes. We can do private tours too, so we've got this open house today that's from the comfort of your home, but if you want to come see it in person, we can set that up. Don't worry. So today we're at 2327 Brokenstone Way in the gated community of Poppy Village here in Eagle Point. This community is right next to the golf course, so that's great. Good location, and this particular house is actually on a corner lot. You'll see that in here in a second. It's actually a duplex, which is a great investment for people if you're wanting to have a rental that will pay half of your mortgage. This is what you want, guys. Each unit has 2 beds, 2 baths, and vaulted ceilings, and the whole thing, both units is going for just $545,000. I know, right? It's gonna be great. All right, waiting for a few more people to come in. Hi, we got 3 people now. Yes. Here's hoping. All right. Well, let's head on in. Flip you around here. This is our lovely duplex. It's a very pretty yellow color. Got a nice front yard. It has a, hi Brooke. Oh my gosh, hi Brooke. Lovely front yard, sprinkler system too, so less yard maintenance for you. Pretty stone, nice curved driveway with extra parking behind me, and you've got a 2-car garage, front bushes, and some rocks in there to keep it low maintenance for you. We're gonna head on in. This beautiful door with a side light. It's got brown color, kind of offsets the yellow, which is nice. Pretty rustic handles here. Head on in. We've got some oak hardwood floors, which are just beautiful for the entryway and in the kitchen. You'll see newer carpeting. It's kind of like a tan white color. And you've got a white wall. It's just blank slate in here for you, with some beautiful rosette, fancy trim, and some oversized baseboard here, which just adds a little bit of elegance, I think. And gigantic in here. And then what's also great about this place is all the built-ins. You'll see them as we go around, but it's just so much storage in here, and beautiful lighting from the windows. I love natural light. Hey Lindsay, hi. Oh Jordan, it's been a while. Nice to see you. All right. So we're gonna go into the master first, just because I like to start big. We've got a linen closet here right off the master, and this is the master. Beautiful big windows, vaulted ceilings, and this door right here goes off to the porch, which I'll show you here in a second. Focus, camera, focus. And then it's got an ensuite. Hi Courtney, nice to see you. Fellow real estate agent up in Bend, Courtney Myers. All right. This is the beautiful ensuite. It's huge. Double sinks. Looks like I hit the fan. Didn't need that. Large shower with a glass door. Beautiful fixtures. Got some newer linoleum flooring. Nice new toilet. And a big walk-in closet. This is great. Just keeps going. It's kind of hard to tell how big it is on this video, but then you got all this built-in cabinetry, which is great. It's all looks very new, repainted. This is a Rockwell listing. Not technically my listing though. All right. So we'll head out of the master and over towards the kitchen. These countertops are like a granite tile. They're kind of a green-black color. Super pretty. Big tiles, so you don't have a lot of grout lines, which is nice. And you have a bar seating here. It's kind of hard to tell. You got bar seating all around it. And then you've got the dining room area with a bay window. So lots of extra space for your table. And bar seating, so you're not running out of seating here in the kitchen. Nice hardwood cabinets. Very sturdy. And great appliances. This is a gas oven range combo with a matching microwave. Got a nice refrigerator. Now we're only going to look at the one side of the duplex today because it already has a tenant that's paying $1,500 a month for their side. So great investment opportunity. Each unit has a washer dryer hookup. And we're in the laundry room now off the back of the kitchen. Again, with the built-ins, it's so great, all the storage. All right, and then off to the laundry room, we can go into the 2-car garage. More storage out here. Oh, camera's focusing. And I wanted to point out that the water heater and the furnace are both gas as well, so you're saving on electrical costs there too. All right, I'm gonna go back through this amazing kitchen. Just windows everywhere too. Window above the washer dryer. Each unit is about 1,500 square feet. Thanks, Lindsay. So lots of extra space for a 2-bed, 2-bath. That's pretty good size. Sink. Chandelier, just bolted. We'll head out the back and see the covered patio for entertaining guests and just hanging out and enjoying the outside. Gotta get outside during the coronavirus, right guys? It is huge. Just great patio space. And see, this is the door to the master over here, so you can get there off the master. Hi, Tammy! Hey, nice to see ya. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful landscaping here. They've kept it nice, easy maintenance for you. Just gotta mow this little yard. And just the one neighbor. If you decide to move in here and keep the tenant on the other side, you just got that one neighbor because you're a corner lot here. So that's nice. Yeah, exactly, Courtney. Already got blinds in all the windows, which is awesome. And they're really nice blinds too. Very heavy duty. Don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but I tell you. All right, we've got one more room over here, the guest room and the guest bathroom. Walk you on over. All right, here's the bathroom. Sorry, I thought I had the lights on. again, all of the storage. You've got a linen closet here, a closet for guests to put their coats and shoes right here, and then a full tub shower combo in here, nice and clean. Hi everyone. All right, and the last bedroom. Central air heating in here. I don't think I said that yet. And all the windows are double pane vinyl. You got vaulted ceilings even in the guest bedroom. Nice size closet. Hi, Michelle. And the newer carpet goes all the way through. So nice and clean and airy in here, especially with the white paint job. So clean slate for whoever wants to move in next. All right, you guys have seen the entire thing. It really is one of the nicest duplex I've seen. And you already have a tenant paying $1,500 a month. It's turnkey for sure. All right. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and you reach out to Rockwell if there's anything that you need real estate wise. We are making it as coronavirus friendly as possible. Keeping it pivoted and virtual. Keep you guys safe and healthy. I hope you all are doing well. And have a great Sunday, guys. Bye.